Nasty to her every day. Of course she's nasty back.
Me? It's my fault. First time I met her, she put a knife to my throat.
First time I met you, you held a knife at me. We can't fight each other. We'll never make it to the wall. I want you both to make peace.
Your way of skinning rabbits is quicker than mine.
I said so, didn't I?
Osha!
You're a good little hunter.
Thank you. See? Not so hard, is it? Thank you.
Don't push me.
I'm right here with you.
What's happening?
I'm right here with you.
What's wrong with him?
The visions take their toll.
He's having one now.
I saw Jon Snow.
You saw him? At Castle Black?
He was on the wrong side of the wall. Surrounded by enemies.
Used to be you couldn't find a tree within a mile of the wall. Crows would come out every morning with axes.
Your flock gets small.